again, and to spread out disease. Brace yourselves and come.
Hi, we are EscobeDos on the road. I am Shelly and
I'm Griselda.
and this is EscobeDos because we have two buses.
Okay.
Come on in. Check it out. We travel with 4 fur babies. We have 2 kittens and 2 puppies because we're crazy.
I always like to get a shot of the furry overlords.
Yes, that is Duncan. And he has a little minion, Starbucks, who likes to hide, so.
Yeah.
And the 2 outside are Nala and Callie. So we did this bus over the summer. I say we. She did the bus over the summer. We have a little bus, and we wanted to try something bigger. And so we have a lot of furniture that you can kind of move around as needed. As you see, we have crates and everything for the dogs as they
get better
as they grow.
Yeah.
We found a lot of stuff off of Facebook Marketplace because we were in a hurry to get it done over the summer and didn't want anything too permanent yet, because you know you live in it and you always adjust it.
You always hear I always end up saying schoolies are never done, they're done-ish.
Yeah,
Right.
This thing has been transposed, I mean, 100 times since we've been here.
Yeah.
And I know more since we've moved in. So, Griselda, I'm gonna let you.
Oh. Well, this is our kitchen and our corner pantry.
I'm trying to get out of your way.
We didn't want to cover any windows, so I decided we should do a corner pantry and have that storage right there, and then our litter box goes under there. Trash, we got all of this on Facebook Market. Also, we
Yeah.
painted it blue because I wanted something dark.
It's, that and Craigslist are
Yeah.
great resources.
Great
Yeah.
resources.
And we were really excited about our full-size fridge is one of the things we were excited
Two
about.
of the things we needed in this bigger bus that were required were a full-size refrigerator and our shower.
And a shower.
And you'll see why we love our shower. in a
I've
minute.
heard stories, so
Oh, there's Starbucks.
This is our bathroom, so go ahead. This is our shower.
You can go all the way in. It's got a sink back there that we got off of Facebook.
We have a
Marketplace.
Starry Night ceiling from...
that's what
Nat and Dawn is
that's like the highlight people have been telling me.
Yeah,
Check
it's
the
the
ceiling
Starry
out.
Night ceiling. It
That's
changes
beautiful.
colors. We have a diverter toilet, and we have a vanity over there if you want to go ahead and...
She built the vanity with the sink in mind.
Yes.
We got the sink and the faucet, I think, for like $40 off of Amazon.
I always
Marketplace.
like that kind of sink.
Isn't it
Yeah,
nice?
it's pretty nice.
Oh, and I'm gonna swap with you so you can come back. You'll have to duck because I'm a shorty and I don't have to duck. Back to our bedroom. We were originally gonna do the floor plan a little different because one of the other requirements I had was that neither one of us had to crawl over each other to get out of the bed. But due to our water tank, we did decide to change that where it's that way
Sure.
instead of that way. I'd probably still change that to where we have the bed coming that way, but we do like the extra space back there and our closet, and then our TV has been changed a few times to be more comfortable
really.
for everybody. And her mama made these curtains for us out of Harbor Freight drop cloths.
Oh, that's a great idea. That's a great idea.
Right? And then we had to go, we are known for loving avocados, so we had to go with guacamole paint color. We wanted it something different than the little bus for sure, which is more like aqua and gray. And so we like the vibe of
Yeah,
dark.
very nice.
It's very budget friendly. We didn't do plywood underneath the backing board. We just did the backing board with a little bit of extra insulation on the walls. We didn't take down the ceiling. We didn't take down the framing. We just kind of, we did do flooring. We did rip it all up,
Right.
and we did insulation on the floor, and then,
Now, do you have solar?
we do have solar. We have almost 1,000 watts on top, and we have 2 lithium 100 amp hour batteries.
Okay.
And I can't remember what inverter we have because we've changed it a couple of times. We took I think our 2,000 out of the little bus and put it over here, but I think it went bad, so we ended up getting either another 2,000 or 3,000.
Right.
So
how big is your water tank?
we have 150 gallons on here.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. So it's basically all like underneath our bed. So
Yeah, I have 40.
yeah, we started off with 10 in our little bus. Really underestimated, but we also didn't have a shower in the little
Right.
bus, so it was just to do dishes and wash our hands and brush our teeth. And we realized 10 gallons does not go as far as you might think.
Right.
And then we upgraded that one to 40, and then still, living full time. And then we wanted to add a shower, so we ended up doing like 75 over there. So over here, we really wanted to be able to be off grid for like 2 weeks without having to go refill.
Sure.
So we pretty much can do this. Usually like a week when we need to dump trash, do laundry, and replenish.
Yeah, I'm about every 10 days.
Yeah, that's about what it is. So we're coming up close over here. We're like running out of water. But I always tell people, this is my third bus. When I met my wife, I lived in a bus, a very simple bus, with basically it was a metal tent, and I loved it. I had no running water, no electricity. It was just, furniture, flooring, and
But
curtains.
the view is ever changing.
Yes, exactly. And so one of the questions I asked her when we started dating, I was like, how do you feel about living in a bus? Because I'm not like going back to traditional housing. And she was like, I don't know, we'll see. So I ended up selling that bus, and then I went and got another bus because I was like, I'm living in a bus. I paid rent for like a year with her, and I was like, I'm not doing it anymore. But I always tell people, live in it as simply as you can. Because at one point, I don't care how much solar, how much water, how much anything you have, you're going to run out of something. Something's going to happen. You're going to break down the side of the road. If you can't live in it as a metal tent, this life may not be for you. Because
My wife and I spent 7 weeks at a state campground with a couch, a cot, a table with
a bucket.
A bucket for her. I walked to the bathroom and a microwave and a coffee maker and a little refrigerator.
Yeah.
And me waking up in the morning and dreaming and picturing, and I got a good idea.
Yeah.
I got a feel for the space.
I always tell people, please don't build your buses out before you live in the space. Like, know what you do every day, what you have to have. Like, we know we have to have coffee, so we have several options of making coffee. If we don't have power, we make sure we have the little burner where we can heat up coffee, or even instant coffee. Like, we just have probably 5 different ways to have coffee. We definitely have a bucket to go to the bathroom. We'll have water to make sure we have drinking water for us and the animals, and to be able to like brush our teeth and wash our hands. But live in it. Like, put a mattress in it, put a bucket in it, and a 5-gallon thing with a pump. And if you can live in that,
and you're probably gonna change things along the way. So
many people build out their buses, this glamorous, great bus, and then they end up selling it or taking it all down, losing that, structure, like losing that time and that money, investing more and rebuilding it. Like, they either build a shower they don't use, or don't build a shower that they end up needing, or anything, vice versa. Have a too small of a sink, or, you just got to figure out what your needs are, but live in it as simply as you can stand it for as long as you can stand it.
Right. Words of wisdom. Well, thank you for the tour.
Thank you so
I like
much.
your
It was
bus.
a pleasure.